Hey Twinkl parents, are you looking for some crafty ideas to help celebrate Lunar New Year? Then look no further, we have 3 great activities that your children can do at home. Our first activity is a dragon paper craft. Start by cutting out the different parts of the template, the body, head, tail and feet. Then, taking the body strips, you need to fold along the squares and stick the 2 A's together. This then creates the dragon's body. This then leaves you to stick the head, tail to each end of the body and add the feet along the edges. This resource can be downloaded in black and white, which allows your little ones to colour in their own dragon. Next up is a paper lantern. Start by printing the template onto plain or red paper. I've chosen red paper. Cut off one end of the paper and set aside to make a handle later. If you haven't printed the lantern onto coloured paper, now is the time to add a design. Once you've done this, fold the paper in half along the dashed line. Remember not to cut to the edge of the paper. Unfold the paper and match the long edges together and use tape to secure and hold in place. Then add the handle. The final activity is to create a zodiac frame. Simply follow the instructions by gluing the sticks together, painting the sticks red and adding red paper or card to the back. You can then write your own zodiac sign onto the paper. These can be found in the description along with the downloadable instructions. If you enjoyed today's video, why not check out our read-along story of the Twinkl original Dragons in the City, which can be found after this video.